Welcome everyone to my channel. This is where I'm going to be uploading the progress with the Integra, installs, what's next for it, all that. So over the weekend I went to Arizona to go pick up a project. I tried to film a lot of it, but we ran into some issues when we got there. So we had to work on my dad's truck because it broke down. So everything just kind of went out the window. I wanted to interview the guy about the project that I picked up, but time, and we had to head back. It was a 7-hour drive there, 7-hour drive back. So I recorded a little video on my iPhone next to kind of showcase what I got for that. Enjoy. So this is my 1996 Acura Integra GSR with the K20 swap, K20A2. I've been having this car for about 5 years now. I've been dailying it for 5 years, ever since I got it, to work, to everywhere, beaches, trips, late night cruises, all that jazz. This is just like a little update video of what's going to be happening next. So you can kind of see what's back there, but show you the inside. It's a little dirty, don't mind that. AP1 cluster, work spell quick tilt. It's a little messy in here. I just had Honda. I was tweaking with that. I'll show you guys the rear. A lot of work has gone into this car. As you can see. Let's go ahead and pop the engine. And there she is. It's a stock K20. Nothing's done, just intake, basically. CSF radiator, all that jazz. But what I really want to show you guys is what's next for this project. So there she is. Drove to Arizona to go pick her up. Yep, it's a right-hand drive shell. Sunroof delete. It's got the Type RX doors. It's got the 4x1 14.3 wheels, but which I'm getting rid of. If anyone's interested, let me know. It's gonna be a lot of work. Engine bay is already like 80% shaved. So just gotta go and delete a few more things. Yeah, it's gonna be a long process to get this to look like that. So I'm basically gonna be transferring everything over to this shell. Makes it a lot easier instead of just going right-hand drive on that. This is also a DC2 shell. It's a 94.